Welcome back to Further Solutions Academy. Further Solutions Academy. I'm walking you through on addition and subtraction on time. This time around we are working on time. How to add up time together and other things like that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share to your friend if you have not shared before. And also on the comment bar, try to leave a comment. Just in case you want to reach us, you can comment below, or you make use of this line. Oh, sorry. +2 3 4 8 0 3 4 4 9 5 9 9 0. With this line, you can call us, you can WhatsApp us, or WhatsApp or Telegram also is allowed. Now, I have these questions. With this question, you will understand how to add time together, how to subtract time. This is subtraction part and this is addition part. Let's try to work on them and let's see. Now, before I explain or I solve this problem, number one, I want you to understand something, that we have 60 seconds make 1 minute. Note that, please. And also 60 minutes make 1 hour. And also we have what? 24 hours make 1 day. And don't forget that 7 days make 1 week. Now, and so on and so forth like that. Please take note of those things. They are very, very important. And 4 weeks make 1 month. 52 weeks make 1 year, and so on and so forth. Now, that relation is very, very important. Now, something like this is given to me. I'm asked to what? To subtract this and also add this. Now, let's see what we need to do here. Look at this number. 24 minus 48 is not possible. It's not possible because 24 and 48, this is 24 seconds and 48 seconds. It's not possible. I will now take 1 minute from here. 1 will come from here, which is this one will become 7, and this one will be what? 1. 1 minute becomes 60 here now. It means 60 seconds. 60, that's 60. I will now say 60 plus 24 minus 48. That is how to go about it. 60 plus 24, that will be 40, what? 44. Now, 44 minus, 84, it means I'll be talking about 84 minus 48, which I'll be talking about, 84 minus 48, which I have what? 14 and 6, and I'll be talking about 14 and 6, this will be what? 1. Okay, sorry, that's going to be 4, that'll be 7, that'll be 3. Now, it means I'll be talking about 36. Now, I will have my 36 here. It means 60 seconds. And having 36 there, okay, that is very good. Please don't forget that procedure. It's very, very important. Now, since I have it as 36 seconds, what is remaining here is 7. Now, I will talk about 7 minus this. Is not possible. Now, 7 minus 7 minus 24 is impossible. Is not possible. Now, I will borrow 1 from here. 1 hour will come here and get to what? To this side will become 60 minutes. Now, it means I'll be talking about 60 plus 7, which is going to be 67. Now, I will talk about 67 minus, I will now have 67 minus 24, that is 43. That will be 43 minutes. Now, what remains here is what? 14. Don't forget, 14 is the remaining here. I have 14 here because 1 has been taken away. Now, 14 minus 8, which it will be 6. 14 minus 8, which is going to be 6. Now, it means my answer will be what? 6 hours, 43 minutes and 36 seconds. That is all. Don't forget, this time around, when you borrow from here and it will become a what? Except you are moving towards day. That is when the story will change. Let's move on to this one. This minus this is not possible. Since it's not possible, I will now have I will borrow 1 from here, coming here, which is going to be what? 60 plus 0 minus 15. Please take note of that. 60 plus 0 minus 15, which I will be having 45. It will be 45 seconds. What remains here is what? 14. Now, that my 14 in minus 45 is not possible. It means I will borrow 1 from here, coming here becoming what? 60 minutes. Now, 60 plus 14, it means 60 plus 14 minus 45. That is what we are going to do there. 60 minus 14, which is going to be 60 plus 14, that will be 74. It means I'll be talking about 74 minus 45, which I'll be talking about 74 minus 45, which I will be having, it will be 29. Yes, 29. I'll be having 29 minutes, and this one remains 2. 2 is remaining here. This plus this, it will be 3. It means 3 hours and 20. Now, the last part of this question, which is going to be the addition part of it. Now, how do I add up number like this? Because we are talking about time, you know, day, hours, minutes, and seconds. Now, look at this. 29 plus, 49 plus 29 plus 47 plus 29. Is that 29? Yes, 29. It will be 76. Now, see 76. 76 is more than 60. Now, what I will just do is that I will divide it by what? By 60. Now, divided by 60, which is going to be what? I'll be having 1 remainder. What will be the remainder? Which is going to be, remainder will be 16. Will be 16. Now, I will write my remainder, which is 16 here. It means 16 seconds. 1 will be added here. This number of time will be added here. Now, it means I'll move on to the next one. This plus this will be going to be 22. 1 plus 1. Okay, you can add it direct if you want to. This plus this, which is 21 plus 43. That will be what it to be equals to 64. 64 plus 1, that will be 65. Now, I have 65. 65 is more than 60. I will divide by what? By 60 also, which is going to be what? 1 time remainder what? Remainder 5. Now, it means 5 minutes, and that number will be added to this one. Now, this plus this, that will be 28, plus 1, that will be 29. Now, 29, can I write 29? No. 24 hours is what I need. It means what? 29 divided by 24. Because 24 hours make a day. Now, which is, I'll be having how many times? 1 times remainder 5. I'll be having remainder 5. Now, I will be having remainder 5. 1 time remainder 5. Because of that, I will now have the number of remainder, which is minutes, hours, and I will now move on to this one. These are minutes and these are seconds. Now, what's day here? I will have what? How many remainder are we talking about? 1. It means 1 and 1. It means 1 day. That is my answer. Can you see? You must not get a number greater than equals to what? 60. Yes, that is because we are talking about base 60 and so on and so forth. Well, can you see how to handle something like this? And it's very simple. Don't forget, you are home with Further Solutions Academy. Once again, thanks for watching.